A man facing several charges in a violent Lexington car crash appeared in court today, asking a judge to lower his bond. Police say 25-year-old Jaden Fishel allegedly chased, shot at, and then crashed into a car, and that car had two people in it.
Fox 8's Celeste Smith was in court today and joins us now from where that crash happened. Celeste, what details were revealed in court about this crash?
Well, today in court, the prosecution laid out what they say happened in the moments right before that car ended up laying right here in front of these homes here on West Center Street on June 7th. I spoke with two people who live in one of these homes and saw the aftermath of the violent crash.
I was getting ready for church and I heard a loud screech and then I heard a big crash. And then I looked through my blinds and I saw that pole was cracked in half and that the car was in that person's yard.
Video captured the violent crash that happened on West Center Street the morning of June 7th. Warrants claim Jaden Fishel was driving a white Chrysler Town & Country van when he hit a Honda, sending it off the road. The car flipped into a yard, knocking down utility poles along the way. Neighbors who live in the home nearby say they went to help the victims after the crash.
I rushed out the door, then hollered back into her to call 911. I saw a woman walking towards me. I wasn't sure if it was our neighbor or not, or somebody out of the car. I realized she had blood on her, so I rushed over to her. I looked at the car and kind of assessed it, saw that the driver's window was still up and the door was still shut.
She said that the car flung her from the front seat through the back window.
Investigators say Fishel fired shots at the Honda with the man and woman inside. Prosecutors say Fishel returned to the crash scene shortly after the wreck.
There were bullet holes in the car. She said she was already on the phone with 911 and that they were already speeding, trying to get away from them. She did not have a seatbelt on, so they were out of the car. And she just wanted to call her mom and make sure her kids were okay.
Whenever that guy that was shooting at them, when he pulled up, she pointed at him saying, "That's him, that's him."
Both victims were in court Friday at Fishel's bond hearing. The prosecution referenced a prior relationship between Fishel and the female victim and said they shared 3 young children. The prosecution also referenced the history of domestic violence, concerns for the victims and the children's safety, and phone calls Fishel allegedly made while in custody. The female victim and her stepfather both spoke in court, sharing their experiences with Fishel and why they believe he needs to remain in custody.
Could have killed them for sure. That would have been bad. I'm glad they're okay, though.
The judge denied the request to lower Fishel's bond, noting the nature of the violent offenses and the history of domestic violence mentioned in court. And outside of the court, the female victim's stepfather gave me a statement saying, quote, "Justice has just begun to be served, and at this time, Jaden Fishel remains in jail, and his next court date is scheduled for July 31st. Live in Lexington, Celeste Smith, Fox 8 News.